As a parent, you want to send your child to the best school, but you must be confused about which school is best, where you can see the overall development, including academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. If you want to enhance your child's skills and abilities with holistic development, Providence International School is the only one. Providence International School with Kids Kingdom Play School Kindergarten School, recognized by Government of Karnataka, nursery to 10th class, followed by Montessori methodology. We provide world-class quality education, holistic development of your child, and help to achieve goals using digital classrooms with facilities such as highly qualified and experienced teachers, well-equipped science, computer, and robotics lab, well-furnished library, transport facilities. At our school, we empower each and every student and also build critical thinking skills to actively participate in class to bring out their best. We provide a safe, secure, and friendly environment, offering sports facilities, co-curricular activities such as music, dancing, painting, and arts and crafts. We are awarded as the Best Emerging School of the Year and Best Creative School. Creating responsible citizens of tomorrow. Give your child the best learning experience at Providence International School.